In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep column fixed in Google Sheets. Freezing a column keeps important information, like names or IDs, visible while you scroll across a large spreadsheet. It's a simple trick that can save you time and reduce errors, especially when you're working with lots of data. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. Once you're on the Google homepage, look to the top right of the screen for the grid-shaped app launcher. It looks like a small square made up of 9 dots. Click that grid to open Google's list of apps. From the Apps panel, select Google Sheets. This opens the main Sheets dashboard where you can see your recent files and templates. Go ahead and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. With your spreadsheet open, decide which column you want to keep visible. Click the column header, the gray box with the letter at the top. For example, if your key information is in the first column, click the A header. Clicking the header selects the entire column, which makes it clear what you're focusing on before you adjust the view. Next, move to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click View. This is where Google Sheets keeps options that affect how your data is displayed. In the View menu, hover your mouse over Freeze to reveal the freeze options. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor over it to open the submenu. From the Freeze submenu, click One Column. This tells Google Sheets to keep the first column locked in place while you scroll horizontally. After you choose it, you'll notice a faint gray vertical line appear just to the right of the first column. That line is your visual cue that the freeze is active. Now try scrolling to the right. You'll see that the first column stays put on the left side, making it easy to read your data without losing track of the information in that column. If you ever need to adjust this later, remember that the same view, then freeze area is where related options live. That's it. Your key column is now fixed in place. This small adjustment makes navigating large spreadsheets much clearer and helps you compare values across wide sheets without constant back and forth. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient view of your data in Google Sheets.